Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to toggle the built-in touchpad on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook. To do that using a shortcut, we're gonna have to first enable the debugging shortcuts on our PC. To do that, we're gonna have to open a web browser and search for a specific web address, which is the Chrome, then column / flags. So open flags website, just copy this address into the web address field. And here we're gonna have to find Debugging Keyboard Shortcuts option and enable it. After enabling it, you're gonna have to restart your device in order to apply changes. And after that, to enable or disable your touchpad, you're gonna have to press Shift, Search, and P combination of keys. And as you can see right now, the touchpad is disabled. So to re-enable it, use Shift, Search, P once again, and it will work again. Now, the other way to do that is by going to the search menu, opening Settings. Then here we're gonna have to scroll down and open Accessibility menu, and then go to Cursor and Touchpad. And here you'll find Disable Built-in Touchpad option. Change its value to Always, and confirm, and this will disable your built-in touchpad. Then you can also change it to when a mouse is connected, and then your touchpad will stop working whenever your mouse is connected to a computer, or just re-enable it by selecting Never. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.